Why are you letting him beat you? First try? Oh my word! All right, guys, we're out here in San Francisco with some San Francisco locals. We got on my left, Julian, and on my right, CJ. So this is Julian versus CJ. Game of skate. Winner gets a new skateboard. Okay, so Rochambeau. Oh. Or what do you guys do?
Usually flip the board.
Okay, do what you do. Do the board flip. So who's first? CJ up first. This is classic game of skate. Should we play skaters or skate?
Skate.
Just to skate. Okay, go ahead. Ollie, we're starting it off with an ollie. Let's see if Julian has the ollie. Oh, wow.
Does that count?
I
think you're real touch.
Barely made that.
Does not count.
Do you think that counts?
No.
Yeah, he says yeah. He's like,
wait,
no,
that was
no,
a bad pose. I got bad reputation.
Okay, I mean defense, we give a larger margin for error on defense. Okay, you're up. Bro, with the front shove first try? Dude, you're taking him out. I know he can't front shove, he told me. The other way, bro, the other way.
I forgot.
The other way.
The side shove is.
Okay, he's got an S.
Yo, I beat him every day.
Julian's on the board with an S. Oh, bro, you had it. Okay, Julian's on offense. You missed the frontside 180.
Yo, on my belly.
Every part of me wants to count that, but that is no good. That is no good.
Yo, we're not posting this.
This is CJ, take him out. You know what to do next?
Every day.
Pop shove.
Yeah, pop shove, bro.
It's looking bad.
Oh, what? Breathe. Give yourself time.
Can I do pop shove?
Whatever. Yeah.
I bet.
Okay, shove it. You don't even have to pop it if you don't want to. Shove. Wow, CJ fires back like, what time is it? You don't know me.
Are no complies allowed?
No complies are allowed.
I bet.
If you want to no comply, no comply. What in the world?
I'll try doing no comply 360.
I'm gonna make him count. I'm gonna make him call these tricks in advance from here on no comply 360. Okay, you're up, CJ.
Pop shove.
Pop shove. Bro, he's got the best pop shoves in the world and he's missing it. He's under the gun. You gotta breathe.
Can I do a kickflip?
Wow, he goes for alpha flip somehow. Okay, you ready? You know what you should do next?
Pop shove.
Frontside 180, bro. Hit him with the front 180.
I heard that.
I'm not helping him. Bro, keep your feet on. Is it easier rolling?
I think so.
Yeah, do it rolling next time. You know what you should do?
What?
Bro, front 180, just keep missing it.
Okay.
Okay, he fired back. I don't know who told him to do that. It was pretty smart though.
I don't know who did that.
You could do it rolling, CJ. Bro, the back foot. Gotta turn your upper body more. Okay, this is S to S. We're all tied up. What do you got now?
No comply 360.
Wow.
I mean, kind of like messed up a little bit, but.
No,
That is definitely messed up a little bit. If we were playing barracks rules, should we play barracks rules?
I'm okay on that.
Barracks rules is no feet on the ground. No,
We should
no
not
complies.
play that version.
Yeah, no feet on the ground.
But that still counts though, because he said after.
Okay,
Barrack rules.
we'll count that one. And then next time we're playing barracks rules.
I bet.
So basically, you could sub me in.
Bro, yeah, I saw Aaron.
All right.
Oh, what? This is not fair. That was not a full 360. That wasn't a full 360.
Get out of here, that wasn't full 360.
That is not fair.
Barracks rules.
Go ahead, you're up.
Can I do a fakey ollie?
Whatever trick you want. Yeah, we're counting that. Fakey ollie. You got fakey ollie. Get out of here, CJ. Don't give me that look on your face. First try. Okay, boy, that was sick. Okay, you're up. It's SS.
I low-key forgot which tricks I had.
Dude, kickflip, bro. What are you
I
doing? Okay, remember, keep those knees high. Bend those knees up.
Can I like power slide 180? Like, does that count?
reverb?
Yeah, sure. Since we're playing barracks rules, sure. Okay, good.
I don't think I could do that.
Yeah, you can, bro. Just light on the feet, push the foot, light on the feet. You can do it. 180, 180.
Does that count?
Does that count? He's not even watching.
Dante, that counts.
No.
Hey Dante, film Dante.
I think that counts though.
He said, I wasn't looking. Man, this is on me. Yeah, we're gonna give him a letter.
Yo.
S? SK.
Can we do SK8 because I don't know too many tricks?
No, we're playing skate proper. You can do more tricks.
Okay.
I'll tell you. Okay, you ready? Roll fakie and just turn a 180.
Okay.
Just turn. He did it already.
I think this is a little biased to call it.
Turn. Okay, right there. Boom.
Do I have to do this? I bet.
Okay, good. Now, you ready? Now. Oh, the other way? Yeah, you got it. Oh, bro!
Calm
You okay?
bro. How?
Yeah, I'm good.
I don't know how this happened.
Okay, you're up.
Yo, I beat this guy skate like 8 times a day, yo.
It's SK to S. We're still in this.
I
We're
bet.
still in this.
I don't have that much tricks.
Okay, maybe we should let them repeat tricks. Should we let them repeat tricks?
I'm not doing the hippie. I bet.
What do you tell them?
Hippie jump.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Okay.
CJ, don't give me that look. You can do with that. Yeah, good. Count it. Okay, now you ready?
We can do same tricks?
Hippie jump 180.
Ooh.
Body varial.
I bet.
Okay, hippie jump 180. Body varial. You got it. Wow.
No, that does not count.
I'm gonna make him rebate that because you did it the other way. You gotta do it the other way. Front side.
Wait, like that?
Yes. Okay, good. Count it. S to SK. Why are you letting him beat you? I
Kick-
thought you had this.
Kickflip, kickflip.
Yeah, come on. Remember, bend your knees in the air. Oh my word!
We're putting that in the video.
Okay, CJ, you can do this. Your first kickflip. SK to SK. It's all tied up. 3 letters left.
Yo, I got the best trick, bro. That's a
Cannonball. Come
I
on,
think-
tell me you don't cannonball. Yeah,
bunny- I thought that's a bunny hop.
bunny hop, bunny hop. We're counting it. Oh, I got one for you. You know what a popcorn is?
Nah.
Dude,
Oh, that's easy.
popcorn, let's roll. Yeah,
What
he
about a
said.
Casper flip?
Come on, Julian. First try, let's go.
That's
Okay,
how I
too
actually
easy. Okay, next trick, you ready? Fakie 180.
go. Fakey 180. What's that?
Like a 180, only fakie.
Oh. Is that what it is?
But do it with the board too, like pop up.
A half cab?
Yeah.
I don't know how to do that. I could try though.
First try, half cab. He did it.
I've never done that
Okay,
in my
bro,
life.
you got this.
Wait, do I have to body varial or can I?
You're riding on your going fakie, and you're gonna turn a 180. Just give it a little pop. Same thing you did. Just give it a little pop. Bro, that's your next trick that you need to learn. That was good. You can learn that. SK, SKA. CJ, come on, bro.
Can I ollie over the pipe drain?
Yeah, of course.
Do I go now?
His next trick is ollie over this. Yeah, go. Oh. He literally almost got hit by a motorized bike. Almost took him completely out.
He touched it.
Bro, that's SKA?
SKAT.
T, is it right?
Yeah.
SK to SKAT. Okay,
My trick?
last letter.
Oh,
You
you
got
gotta
2
repeat-
tries on the last
You
letter.
allow repeat tricks or not?
No repeat tricks.
I bet.
Barracks rules, they don't repeat the tricks.
Did I do like a no stall on that?
Yeah,
I bet.
of course. Bro, you put your hand down.
I went too much in it.
That don't count.
Alright, fine.
It's your trick. You can manual, yeah, but you gotta like call it. Like manual from there to there or what? Okay, we're gonna manual from here to here, these 2 blocks, right there. Tail scrape. Ah.
I thought I tail scraped after it.
You did, but okay. I'll do this. I'll give you a rebate, but no tail scrape this time, otherwise it don't count. If you go the distance, just drop your board. Okay, we're counting that, that's good.
Wait, where is it from?
Here to here.
No, that was tail scrape after.
The exact same thing. Tail scrape after, we're giving him a rebate.
I bet.
If the front trucks go over that, we're counting it. Yeah, that was good. He's like, dang. Bro, you got him. He's on the ropes. You got like a Casper thing?
Does that count?
Yeah, that counts. You're good. Yeah. Bro! First try, I was so good.
Wait, is it like this?
Yep.
Or is it like that?
The first way, like a shove it.
I've never done
You
this
can do
before.
this, you can do this. Oh! S-K-A-T, S-K-A.
I bet.
Bro, you got him. 2 more tricks. Dude, okay, do this. Stand primo and then just drop onto the board.
Bro, are you serious?
Just drop. First try, let's go. Okay, too easy. Can you do the nose stall thing that he tried and missed?
Like grind or just like get
Just stall.
Okay, yeah.
Missed it, bro. Missed it. You're up, Julian. What do you got?
Can I ollie onto a curb or something? Can I ollie over a board?
Yeah. Okay, right here.
This is the last letter I need, bro.
Last letter. That means he gets 2 tries.
I'll share the board.
He says I'll share the board. Okay, run it. Okay, first try. CJ has this. CJ, you're going over my board.
Your board is bigger too. You're giving him a smaller board?
Yeah, bro, come on. Look at that.
His board is massive. I touched it.
We're gonna count that.
Wait, wait.
100%, he landed it, he went over it. Oh, you want him to do it again?
I think I think that this shouldn't count, but you should give him a second chance.
No, because I hit the truck.
That ollie's supposed to like
Go in the
pass
middle, bro. Do it again.
So that doesn't count, but you give him a
I
second
think
chance.
it counts.
I don't think
I
that
think it
counts.
totally
It
counts.
touched it. No, you have to do it again.
Go ahead, do it again. This is just for the pride, though. Here, watch out, watch out.
Alright, that counts.
Yeah, no, that counts.
I bet.
Okay, what now? Can you guys, listen, if you can do a shove it, you can roll fakie and do a shake.
Fakey big spin.
Fakie shove it.
I forgot about that.
Fakie shove. Okay,
Wait,
right
no,
here, right here.
Wait, I tried to do a fakie 360 pop shove, so I might over shove it. Does that count?
Yeah, we'll count that.
It's gotta
You
be
got
pop.
2 tries on this. 2 tries, CJ. Fakie, shove. Shove. Oh my word, okay. When you got really good pop shove-its. You know who Stevie Williams is? Well, you do now. Okay, one more try. This is the last try. If you miss it here, it's game over. CJ! Okay, very well done. Very well done. You guys played very well, but there can only be one winner, and that winner is Julian. First try.
I'll share the board with you.
All right, I hope you guys are having an absolute blast learning how to ride a skateboard. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, join the Braille Skateboarding Academy and learn to skateboard directly from me. I got you.